on our new assessment platform for functional skills, English reading. When you have logged in to the assessment platform, you will see this instructions page. The instructions might differ depending on the assessment. Once you've read the instructions, you'll need to click in this tick box to say that you've read, understood and agree to adhere to the instructions. Once you're ready, you'll click I'm ready to begin. You'll also see your name in the right-hand corner. Once you've clicked I'm ready to begin, it will take you to this page. Here, you'll be able to view the instructions you've previously just seen. You'll see the name of the assessment, and if there's any sections, you'll see them here as well. You'll see the time that you have left, and this will count down. You'll see your name in the top right-hand corner. You'll also see these key codes. So once you've answered the question, this will turn green. If you've not visited the questions, these will be grey. If you mark for review by clicking this button, that will make it purple. And if you answered the mark for review question, it will make it a mixture of this purple and green. To close this key code, you can click on this button here. And then for the question area, here you'll see the documents. You can click onto document 2 and 3 to see the documents. On the bottom left-hand corner, you'll see volume control, and this is used for any audio questions. You'll also see the accessibility icon. You can click onto this and you'll be able to change the colour contrast, the colour overlay, and also the text size here as well. You'll see the question in the right-hand side, and here you'll be able to input your answers. You'll click on to Save and Next, and here you'll be able to see that the key code pops back out where this one has been answered and changed to green. If you needed to go back to a question, you'll click on to Previous, and once you're ready to submit your assessment, you'll click on to Submit. This will show you some information from your exam. So for example, it shows you how many questions were in the assessment, how many were answered, how many were not answered, how many were marked for review, how many were answered and marked for review, and how many were not visited. Once you're ready to submit, you'll click Yes. If you wanted to go back to change anything, you can click on to No. And if you're happy, you can click on to Yes. And then OK. You'll now have completed the assessment and can click Exit Exam to finish. Thank you for your time and best of luck.